Hello student, today I will explain you improving people's performance motivating the staff। हमने मोटिवेशन का चैप्टर देखा है। जैसे मैंने आपको पहले मोटिवेशन, लीडरशिप, मैनेजमेंट ये सब एक्सप्लेन किया है, क्योंकि अगर आपको मोटिवेशन ही पता नहीं है तो आप परफॉर्मेंस मोटिवेटिंग द स्टाफ कैसे कर पाओगे। इसलिए मैंने पहले क्या किया है, सिंपल मोटिवेशन का चैप्टर आपको बताया है। अब ये जो है ये चैप्टर है इम्प्रूविंग पीपल परफॉर्मेंस मोटिवेटिंग द स्टाफ। ओके, तो इसमें हम क्या कवर करने वाले हैं, मीनिंग, इम्पोर्टेंस एंड थेरीज ऑफ मोटिवेशन। जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि जो थेरी है, मैस्लो थेरी है, हर्जबर्ग की थेरी है, मैकलैंड की थेरी है, या फिर मैकग्रेगर की थेरी है। ये सब थेरी जो है उससे रिलेटेड जैसे पहले मैंने आपको बताया था वो, और उससे रिलेटेड जो पॉइंट्स है रिमेंबर, वो हम देखेंगे। ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एम्प्लॉय मोटिवेशन इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर दैट encourage person to give their best performance and help in reaching enterprise goals। ओके, मोटिवेशन का मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर कोई भी एम्प्लॉय हो, मैनेजमेंट लेवल का हो या फिर मतलब क्लास 1 हो, क्लास 2 हो, या क्लास 3 का एम्प्लॉय हो, उससे हमें क्या चाहिए कि वो उसका जो भी अच्छा है वो बिजनेस के लिए दे, कंपनी के लिए दे। जो भी बेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस है वो उसका हमें कंपनी के लिए फ़ायदेमंद होता है। ओके, तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ता है कि हम तो पेमेंट देते हैं, पेमेंट के अलावा हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, एम्प्लॉय को मोटिवेट करना पड़ता है। इसलिए हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कौन सी थेरी यूज़ करके हम मोटिवेशन एम्प्लॉय का बढ़ा सकते हैं, ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। ओके, मोटिवेशन सिर्फ एम्प्लॉय के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं होता है, आप बच्चों के लिए भी मोटिवेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। अगर आपने अच्छे मार्क्स लाए तो आपको इनकरेज करना पड़ता है कि आपने बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाए। अगर आपको इनकरेज किया तो आप नेक्स्ट एग्ज़ाम को उससे भी अच्छा मार्क्स ला सकते हो। नॉट ओनली एग्ज़ाम के लिए, बल्कि आपने अगर कोई अच्छा काम किया है, या आपके छोटे भाई ने, छोटे बहन ने, या फिर आपके फ्रेंड ने अगर कुछ अच्छा किया, तो उसको मोटिवेट करना, हमेशा मोटिवेट करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है। आप जब दूसरे को मोटिवेट करोगे ना, तो अपने आप भी मोटिवेट हो जाते हो। ओके, अगर किसी ने अच्छा किया तो उसे अच्छा बोलना सीखो, उसे मोटिवेट करना सीखो। ये आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग यूज़ होगा, नॉट ओनली एग्ज़ाम ओरिएंटेड, मतलब एग्ज़ाम के लिए आप ध्यान में मत रखो। मोटिवेशन का चैप्टर जो है वो, ये लाइफ लॉन्ग आपको बहुत यूज़फुल है, इसलिए मैं बता रही हूँ। ओके, motivation is the art of including employees to work sincerely to the success of the enterprise. Employees who are adequately motivated to perform will be more productive, more engaged, and feel more invested in their work. This will help the employees and their managers to be more successful. Okay, then without a motivated workplace, companies could be placed in a very risky position. Therefore, the manager should understand the needs of the subordinates and motivate them to act in a desired manner by satisfying their needs. Motivation is a term derived from the word motive. The term motive implies an action to satisfy a need. A motive is an inner state that activates or moves, and that directs or induces or human behavior towards a goal. Motives or motivation are the expressions of a person's needs and desires. Motivation is the process of stimulating people to actions to accomplish their goals. It is the driving force behind human actions. Motivation is an important factor that encourage person to give their best performance and help in reaching enterprise goals. So, motivation may be described as the process whereby an individual is allowed to satisfy his needs by pursuing certain objectives. Okay. And motivation means a process of stimulating people to action to accomplish desired goals. The types of motivation means पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन होता है, नेगेटिव मोटिवेशन होता है, देन इंस्ट्रिक मोटिवेशन होता है, मॉनिटरी मोटिवेशन है, नॉन मॉनिटरी है. ओके. तो फर्स्ट पॉजिटिव मोटिवेशन मीन्स positive motivation is a technique in which a person is rewarded for accomplish a certain task or changing a particular behavior. It is indeed a tool for creating an interest in the mind of the employees for better performance. Positive motivation implies the creation of an environment in which people can satisfy their needs and aspirations. Positive motivation increase the cooperation of employees and creates a feeling of happiness. Awards due and awards due is the example of the example positive motivation. Okay, then next is negative motivation. Negative motivation means the act of forcing employees to work using and punishments. Negative motivation involves creating a sense of fear or an unhealthy environment. Punishment provisions relating to demotions and transfer penalties, group rejections, etc., are a few examples of negative motivations. Employees will tend to produce minimum enough production to remain safe. And though employees work up to a level where punishment is avoided, but this type of motivation causes anger and frustrations. This type of motivation generally becomes a cause of industrial unrest. Then intrinsic motivation means intrinsic motivation is a type of motivation in which an individual is being motivated by internal desire. When an employee does something because it's internally fulfilling, interesting, or enjoyable to him without an exceptions of a reward or a reward from others. It is a intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is an internal internal resulting from job content and not from the job environment. Okay. Our deep rooted desire have the highest motivational power. Some examples of deep rooted desires are acceptance, curiosity, independence, power, social contact, social status, etc. Then monetary motivation means the monetary rewards are financial rewards provided to employees for meeting the desired goals. This may include cash awards, bonus, commission, gift card, and so on. Money is an effective motivator for improving employee performance. Money helps to satisfy the psychological and security needs of workers. Money is also useful in satisfying social needs to some extent because money is often recognized as a symbol of power, pres- um prestige, and status. Okay. Then non-monetary motivation means factors such as a job satisfaction, a positive working environment, flexible work schedule, and fringe benefits provide benefits to the organization. This is primarily because non-monetary rewards focus on building an emotional connections with employees. Providing the right non monetary rewards can help enhance employee engagement and job performance. Okay, then मोटिवेशन क्यों ज़रूरी है, मोटिवेशन के इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है. तो फर्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट मतलब इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है मोटिवेशन, तो हमने देखा है कि मोटिवेशन के बिना कोई भी इंसान कुछ भी अच्छे से नहीं कर सकता है. ओके, तो मोटिवेशन इज एन integral part of the process of direction. While directing the subordinate, a manager must create a sustain in them the desire to work for the specified objectives. And first one is help to increase the productivity. First क्या है, helps to increase the productivity. Means motivation meets the needs of the employee and thereby create the drive to work to the best of his abilities. Motivated employees are more productive and allow an organization to achieve higher levels of output. Motivated employees make a better utilization of resources, which lowers the cost of operations and create better image. A firm may try to motivate employees with different benefits like providing financial and non-financial benefits, personal advancement, and so on. A firm that provides opportunities for financial and personal advancement has a better image in the employment market. People prefer to work for an enterprise because of the opportunity for sim, development and outlook. This helps to in attracting qualified personnel and simplifies the staffing functions. Then help in achieving organizational objectives. Means motivation is the core of management. Through motivation, managers encourage employees to direct their mm, energies for achieving organizational goals. Motivated employees always try to contribute their best efforts to the realization of organizational goals. Therefore, the higher the level of motivation, the greater is the degree of goal accomplishment. Then, motivation means ensures organizational efficiency. Means motivation help plays an important role in changing the attitudes of the employees in the organization. Motivation improves the efficiency level of employees, and Employees start performing the job to the best of their ability with minimum wastage of time and resources. Motivated employees always go for the best utilization of resources. It creates a willingness among the employees to perform their work with great enthusiasm, zeal, and loyalty. And motivation helps in developing better human relationship. It is most important point. Effective motivation creates job satisfaction, which results in relations between employers and employees. Industrial dispute, labor upset, industrial dispute and turnover are reduced with consequent benefits. There are more cooperation and coordination in the organization, and all the employees work with the team's spirit. Okay, then most moral of the employees. Moral refers to the attitude and feelings of employees towards their work and work situation. Through motivation, employees attitudes and feelings towards work can be improved, and proper motivation helps to boost employees morale. Okay, then create a sense of all things like system promotes and close ties between the enterprise and its employees. Okay, then helps to increase the satisfaction of human resource. Okay, these are very important points related to motivation. Okay, then next lecture हम देखेंगे the 10 इफेक्टिव मोटिवेशन मीन्स क्या है वो कमांडमेंट्स बोलते हैं ना उसे, वो 10 है जो इफ़ेक्टिव मोटिवेशन के लिए यूज़फुल है, तो वो देखेंगे हम। एंड उसके बाद टेक्निक तो आपको पता है जैसे मैंने पहले बताया था। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर देखते हैं वो क्या 10 पॉइंट्स है। ओके, चलो बाय।